Mr. Mush here. So, for our BU episode, your beautiful episode, we're going to make a little fortune teller. And then when you use it with your friends, it tells them something nice about themselves. Okay? Because we're being kind, showing kindness in this episode. So, to make a fortune teller, you'll just need a piece of printer paper, 8.5 by 11. And you're going to fold a triangle like this. You're gonna go in the corner like this and fold it, and then you're gonna take a pair of scissors and you're gonna cut off the extra paper like this. The reason why is because this is like an origami project and it needs to be a perfect square. Okay, so we already have one crease, so we need to make another crease. So we're gonna fold our triangle in half and try your best to make sure it's all lined up and you get a good crease, okay? So then you should have an X inside, all right? So place it on your table like a diamond, okay? And then we're going to take each corner and we're gonna fold it into the center like this as best we can, okay? So I'm gonna take this, all right? Make good creases, and there you go, there's 4. Okay, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna do it again, okay? And then we're gonna fold our triangles into the center like this, okay? And if they don't fit perfectly, that's okay, just try your best, all right? And then I got one more to go right here, okay? Now that we have it, now we need to fold it in half like this, okay? And then if you want, you can fold it the other way too to give it some good creases, really push. And then you can open it up and be gentle, you don't want your paper to rip. And there you go. Now we need to add the colors and the numbers. All right, so I'm gonna flatten it again, and you can pick whatever colors you want. I'm gonna pick red, and I'm just gonna color circles. Now you could write the colors on there because you have to spell it, okay? That's up to you, all right? I'm gonna do 2 warm colors and 2 cool colors, okay? So I'm gonna do red and orange on this side, and I'm gonna do blue and purple on this side. Okay, just like this. So like I said, if you want to write the colors, you can. If you want to do what I'm doing, just doing dots, it's up to you. Okay, now on the inside, you need to number it 1 through 8. So since we're all unique, and to make it more appealing, because somebody might be like, ooh, my favorite number is 2, and my favorite color is orange, I gotta pick that one. All right, so, but you can use whatever colors you want. And if you want to color in each little triangle, you can. It's your choice. This is just how I'm doing it. Okay, because Mr. Mush is on a time frame. So, so remember, you gotta number them 1 through 8. Okay, and I'm almost done here. I got 6. Okay. And remember, you can use whatever colors you want. I just chose to do different colors to make it more appealing for the people when they're using your fortune teller, when you come up. Okay, now that we have that, now you need to write the fortunes under each section. And what's nice is that the crease shows you where each fortune needs to be. So I have one already finished. So I wrote in fortunes like, you are smart. Your laugh is the best. I can't even read my own handwriting. You're weird in a good way. You will shine today. A smile you give will come back to you. You are one of a kind. You make the world more colorful. You are brave. Okay? So then, once you have your messages, you fold it back up, push it open, and there you go. You have your kindness fortune teller. Okay? And then, if you're not sure how it works, they pick a color and you go O-R-A-N-G-E. Then they pick a number, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They pick another number, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then they pick one more number, 3. You're weird in a good way. Okay, that's my fortune for today. All right, so there is our beautiful, your beautiful fortune teller. All right, so with that being said, I would love to see your fortune teller, so take a picture of it. I would love to see your fortunes, what you wrote, for your friends to see when you play the fortune game with them. So take a picture of your project, send it up to mrmushmakes.com. I would love to see it. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really means a lot to us here at the channel. All right. Well, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Peace.